Jirra jirtu hordoftonni Kokkeef Tube akkam jirtu bakka jirtanitti nageetni isiniif haa baay'atu jecha har'a toopikii biological molecule kan jedhu especially carbohydrates amino acid kan jedhu toopik irraa wal argine irraa warroonni channel keenya faarotatan channel keenya subscribe gochuu hin dagatinaa. So today we'll see about biological molecules. The major class of organic compound common to living organism or living system are carbohydrates, amino acid, proteins, lipid, and nucleic acid. Among that, carbohydrate is the most crucial source of energy for our body. Lazi ዛሬ የምናየው ስለ biological molecules ነው። በተለይ carbohydrate እና amino acid እናያለን። biological molecule የሚባሉት በአጠቃላይ ግን carbohydrate, amino acid, protein, lipid እና nucleic acid እንደሆኑ ልታውቁ ያስፈልጋል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ የመጀመሪያው carbohydrate ነው። carbohydrate ምንድነው? ክላሲፊኬሽኑ እንዴት ነው የሚለውን እናያለን። Rules ምንድነው የሚለውን እናያለን ማለት ነው። Carbohydrates are the most abundant biomolecule on the earth. Oxidation of carbohydrate is a central energy yielding pathway in most non-photosynthetic cells. Kanaaf carbohydrate biomolecule kan macromolecule keessa isa tokko ta'ee fi kan bal'inaan earth crust kana keessatti argamudha. Inni kunis oxidation isaa energy source yookaan immoo madda humnaa madda anniisaa ta'ee nu fayyada. Jechuudha especially we human being non photosynthesis cellidha maali photosynthesis gochuu hin dandeenyu waan ta'eef maddi keenya carbohydrate dha jechuudha. There is an aldehyde or ketone group and a mainly hydroxyl group. ስለዚህ ካርቦሃይድሬቶች አልዲሃይድ ወይም ኬቶን ግሩፕ ብለን በሁለት ልንከፍላቸው እንችላለን። ይሄ ማለት አልዶስ እንደ ኬቶስ የምንላቸው ማለት ነው። አልዶስ የምንለው ኬቶ አልዲሃይድ ያለው ካርቦሃይድሬት ነው። ኬቶስ የምንለው ደግሞ ኬቶን ያለው ካርቦሃይድሬት ነው ማለት ነው። They are polyhydroxyaldehyde or ketone or substance that yield such compound on hydrolysis. Hydrolysis ስናደርግ gaafa bishaan bulbulu aldehyde yookaan immoo ketone waan nu kennuuf polyhydroxyaldehyde or ketone kan jennu jechuudha carbohydrate dhaan. So carbohydrate have an empirical formula CH2O the whole n where n is n greater than or equal to 3 number of carbon jechuudha n keenya. Number of carbon keenya 3 fi sana ol yoo ta'e. Classification of carbohydrates according to the number of sugar unit and the size of the molecule. There are two major classes of carbohydrates. Amma carbohydrate kana sugar unit isa yookaan size isa irratti hundaa'uudhaan bakka gurguddoo lamatti qoonnee ilaaluu ni dandeenya. Inni tokkoffaani simple carbohydrate kan jennuuni. Isaanan kaanan immoo complex carbohydrate kan jennuuni. Simple carbohydrate also called monosaccharide ወይም ደግሞ single sugar በመባል ይታወቃሉ። ብዙ ጊዜ ሲንግል ወይም አንድ የሆነ ፖሊሃይድሮክሲያልዲሃይድ ወይም ኬቶን ያላቸው ናቸው። ኮምፕሌክስ ሲሆን ግን ሁለት እና ከዛ በላይ ሹገር ዩኒት ሊንክድ ሲያደርጉ የሚፈጠር ነውና ይሄ ደግሞ ኮምፕሌክስ የተባሉት ዳይሳካራይድ፣ ኦሊጎሳካራይድ እና ፖሊሳካራይድ ተብሎ በሶስት ይከፈላሉ ማለት ነው። አናፍ ኮምፕሌክስ ካርቦሃይድሬት ከነ በከሰደት ይቆናችሁ ዳይሳካራይድ፣ ኦሊጎሳካራይድ ፊ ፖሊሳካራይድ ጀነች ማሬ ዳይሳካራይድ ጋፈ ጀኑ ቱ ሞኖ ማዮካን ቱ ሞኖሳካራይድን ኮቨለንትሊ ሊንክድ ጋፈ ተውተው oligosaccharides kan jennuun immoo sugar unit 3 kan qabaatu yoo ta'e fi polysaccharide kan jennuun immoo carbomonosaccharide unit 10 fi sana ol yoo qabaatedha jechuudha. ስለዚህ ሞኖሳካራይዶች ምን አይነት ጸባይ ያላቸው በብዛት simplest ካርቦሃይድሬቶች ናቸው። ፈርዘር ሃይድሮላይዝ መሆን አይችሉም። ሌላው ደግሞ አልዲሃይዶን ኬቶን ይለቃሉ ዲዞልቭ ሲሆኑ ነው። colorless ናቸው or crystalline solid ናቸው free dissolvable in water but insoluble in non-polar ለምን ፖላር ስለሆኑ ነው። ጣፋጭ ናቸው ያ ብቻ ሳይሆን አብዛኞቹ ከአራት በላይ ካርበን ያላቸውና ሳይክሊክ ፎርም ማድረግ ይችላሉ። most abundant monosaccharide in nature ግን ዲግሉኮስ ነው like dextrose የምንላቸው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ monosaccharidin አመሎተ ከኒንቀባቸው ነው further hydrolyze gochuu እንደንደኙ bishaan keessatti bulbulawuu danda'u coloring qabani dandamisaani mobaayimiyaadhachu baayimiyaadhachu. So there are criteria for classification of monosaccharide kana classify gochuuf criteria jira. Criteria sadiitu jira. Sadiin keessaa inni tokko whether the sugar contain ketone or aldehyde. Sugar suni aldehyde immoo ketone qaba kan jedhuutiin aldose yookaan ketos jennee bakka lamatti qooduu dandeenya. If the carboxyl group at the end of a carbon chain is an aldehyde aldose jennaani. If the carbonyl group at the other position is ketone that is known as ketose jennachu. The O suffix designate carbohydrate and the aldo and the keto prefix indicate the kind of carboxyl group in the molecule whether aldehyde or ketone. ሁለተኛው the number of carbon atom in a chain ስንት ካርበን አለው? ትራዮስ ስንል 3 ካርበን ነው ያለው። ቴትሮስ 4፣ ፔንቶስ 5፣ ሄክሶስ እያለ በካርበን ኮንተንታቸውም መክፈል እንችላለን። የመጨረሻው ስቴሪዮኬሚካል ኮንፊጉሬሽን ኦፍ አሲሜትሪክ ካርበን ወይም ካይራል ካርበናቸው ላይ ሆነን ደግሞ ዲ ሱገር እና ኤል ሱገር ብለን ልንከፋፈላቸው ደግሞ እንችላለን። So in terms of configuration of chain of an aldose, L sugar has an OH group on the stereogenic center farthest from the carbon at the right in the Fischer projection. ይሄ Fischer projection of sugar. ስለዚህ እነዚህ ሱገሮች Fischer projectionአቸው ላይ OH በስተቀኝ ከተገኘ ያው እንደሚታወቀው ዲ ግሉኮስ ወይም ደግሞ ዲ ኤክስትሮሮታተሪ እንላቸዋለን። በስተግራ የሚገኝ ከሆነ ደግሞ ሊቮሮታተሪ እንላቸዋለን ደግሞ ሌፍት ማለት ነው። So diasteromers and enantiomers are there. Number of enantiomers is always to the power of n ብለናል። n is number of chiral centers ሲሆን ነው። diasteromer are different configuration or only one asymmetric carbon called epimer ይላል። so epimer ማለት diasteromeሮች ናቸው enantiomer አይደሉም። they are not enantiomer rather than they are diasteromer። ይሄ ማለት mirror imaging ቀበኔ ይችላል። mirror imaging ቀበኔ ከናፍ structurally bifa kanaan laalu dandeessu warroota D glucose jedhaman jechuudha. Configuration of D ketos warroota ketone functional group qabanidha isaan kunniin immoo carbon lammaffaa ketone functional group qaba jechuudha. Sikaatee odeen carbon lammaffaan ketone asiisoo gubbaa kanarra gadi gaafa dhuftu ketone argatta jechuudha. Carbon kanarra gara gadi odeemtan oxygen OH kun gara mirgaatti waan argamuuf D ketos jenneen jechuudha. Naturally occurring ketos have the ketone group in the C2 position. A ketose has one fewer asymmetric carbon than does the aldose with the same number of carbon. Amma aldose fi ketose wanni garagara isaan taasisu keessa inni tokko chiral centerii yookaan stereogenic centerii takkaan irrata ketone gaafa ta'u jechuudha. All carbohydrates except dihydrogen acetone contain one or more stereogenic center, therefore they are optically active. Amma compound tokko stereogenic center yoo qabaate yookaan chiral yoo ta'e waan jennaani optically active dha. Kanaaf dihydroxy acetone yookaan immoo ketose kanarraa kaafee baay'een isaanii maal qabu asymmetric carbon waan qabaniif maal isaanii optically active dha jechuudha. Fakkeenyaaf ishee kana yoo fudhattan garuu CH2OH kun groupiin lama wal fakkaatu asymmetric carbon emission symmetry kanaaf symmetry ta'e taanaan immoo chiral waan ta'uuf compound kun maaliin qabu jechuudha optical activity hin qabu jechuudha. So the other one is D in the end kana karaa adda addaatiin ilaalleerra asiin duras dubbannee turre. So D form as OH group to the right whereas this group in the left gaafate immoo L jennaani. Metabolically these two form are massively different. D sugar are metabolizable, L sugar immoo does not metabolizable. So because they have asymmetric carbon atom, monosaccharide exhibit various form of isomerism. Your enantiomer like pyranose, furanose ring structure, alpha and beta ionomer, epimers, aldose, ketose, isomerism, optical activity are there. Have kana has almost lalle rawa Fischer projection jechuudha. When you see the structure of this monosaccharide, the aldehyde and the ketone moiety of the carbohydrate with 5 or pentose, 6 hexose carbon will spontaneously react with an alcohol group to form products intracellular hemiacetal or hemiketal respectively. Aldehyde jechuun carbonyl carbonidha. Carbonyl carbonin immoo yeroo alkoolii wajjin wal nyaatu yeroo hunda hemiacetaliuma ammas isuma kana alkoolii wajjin gaafa wal nyaachuun immoo acetaliuma jechuudha. Kuni aldehyde irraa yoo ka'edha. Ketone irra kan kaanu yoo ta'e immoo ketone irratti alkoolii gaafa daballu hemiketaliumna. Hemiketali sanarra immoo alkoolii gaafa daballu immoo ketalii dabala. Kana organic chemistry chapter 8 reaction of carbonyl kan jedhu irratti deebitanii laaluu ni dandeessu chaanaalii keenya irraa jechuudha. So this results in the formation of 5 or 6 member ring, and the 5 member ring is known as furan, and its derivative with structure is known as furanose. 6 carbon member digafate mo pyranose jennechu. Lazi 6 ሲሆን pyranose እንላለን 5 ሲሆን ደግሞ furanose እንላለን ማለት ነው። ስለ አሴታል ሄሚአሴታል ኬታል ሄሚኬታል የሚለው ኦርጋኒካችሁ ሌላችሁ ሪፈር ማለት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። The other one is how perspective formula. This representation of cyclic sugar structure are mostly accurately done in the Fischer projection commonly used for linear sugar. Amma carbonin keenya kan sugarin keenya cyclic yoo ta'e how perspective formula fayyadamna linear immune kone again Fischer projection እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው. So if the OH group is on the right, the Fischer projection is placed plotting to down below the plane of the ring in the outer perspective. If it is on the left, the Fischer projection is placed pointing up and above the plane, and the terminal CH2OH group project upward for D enantiomer and the downward for L enantiomer. So our projection represent cyclic sugar as having essentially planar ring with OH at the anomeric carbon or carbon 1. If it is alpha, OH is below the ring, beta gafatemo above above the ring. Cyclization of glucose produce a no asymmetric center at C1. The two stereoisomer are called anomer. Anomer. ስለዚህ አሁን position of OH ብቻ አይተን አልፋ ወይም ቤታ ማለት እንችላለን ነው በዚህ ፐርስፔክቲቭ ፎርሙላ። ስለዚህ አሁን እዚህ ብታዩ ለምሳሌ OH ያለበት ፖዚሽን ይሄ OH ያለበት ፖዚሽን ከካርቦኒያል ካርበኑ ቢሎ ከሆነና ይሄኛው OH ያለበት ከካርቦኒያል ካርበኑ አባፍ ከሆነ ማለት ነው። አሁን አልፋ ቤታ ፒመር anomer የምንላቸው ለዛ ነው። ሶ the glucose form an intracellular hemiacetal C1 aldehyde and the C5OH react with to form a C6 member ring known as pyranose. So cyclization of glucose produce a new asymmetric center at the former carbonyl carbon or carbon 1. So this cyclization results at pyran. So here the formation of hemiacetal are there. Finally cyclization can produce what beta glucopyranose. So isomeric form of monosaccharide that differ only in the configuration above the hemiacetal or hemiacetal carbon is known as anomer. The carbonyl carbon atom is called anomeric carbon. So the two stereoisomers are called alpha glucose and the beta glucose. The hemiacetal carbon atom is referred to as anomeric center of chiral carbon. The other one is fructose. You know that fructose and glucose almost they are similar. But the only difference between is the position as well as the sweetness. Fructose is highly sweet ገርመሌ ዋሚያው ይሄ በጣም ጣፋጭ ነው ከግሉኮስ እንጂ ሁለቱም ኦልሞስት ተመሳሳይ ናቸው። ልዩነታቸው ያኛው አልዶስ ነው የኛው ኬቶስ ነው እና ይሄ ፍሩክቶስ ደግሞ ፉራኖስ ነው። ፉራኖስ ደግሞ 5 ሜምበር ሪንግ ነው የሚፈጥረው። ያው ልዩነታቸው እንጂ ኦልሞስት ሁለቱም ተመሳሳይ ሞኖሳካራይዶች ናቸው። The next topic is about disaccharide. Disaccharide ስንል እንግዲህ ሁለት ሞኖሳካራይዶች በግላይኮሲዲክ ሊንኬጅ ሊንክ አድርገው ሲፈጠሩ covalently bond between the anomeric hydroxyl of cyclic sugar and hydroxyl of the second sugar termed as glycosidic bond, and this reaction represents the formation of acetal from hemiacetal, ketal from hemiketal, OH group of the second sugar and the resulting bond called glycoside. All carbohydrates that contain hemiacetal group are reducing sugar. አሁን ዳይሳካራይድ ስንል እንግዲህ አብዛኞቹ ከሁለት ሞኖሳካራይዶች በግላይኮሲዲክ ሊንኬጅ የተፈጠሩ ናቸው። እዚህ ውስጥ ነው እንግዲህ ዳይሳካራይድ ሪዲዩስ ሹገር እና ነሪዲዩስ ሹገር ተብለው ደግሞ በተለያየ ቦታ ሊከፈሉ ይችላሉ ነው። ብዙ ዳይሳካራይዶች አሉ። የመጀመሪያው ማልቶስ ወይም ደግሞ ማልት ሹገር የምንለው so maltose as you know is formed by D-glucose joined together by glycosidic linkage at anomeric carbon on the glucose and the C4 of another carbon. ስለዚህ አልፋ 1,4 glycosidic linkage አለው ማለት ነው። ምን ማልቶስ እንግዲህ reducing sugar ነው። ለዘ glucose residue with a free OH of anomeric carbon is capable of existing alpha and beta pyranose form. So also malt sugar it is found in germinating green like barley. እንግዲህ ገርቡ ከሰፋት ያርገሙ ለንዳቸው ለማልቶሲኒ ሮባዬ ዲግሉኮሲ ለማዮካ ዩኒቲ ለመረቲ አልፋ 1,4 glycosidic linkage ላን kan uumamu jechuudha. Structure isaa gaafa laltan bifa kanaan maltosiin D-glucose fi D-glucose alpha D-glucose and beta D-glucose gaafa 1,4 linkage gaafa uuman 1 to carbon 4 iddoo kanatti bondii uumamuutiin kan uumamu jechuudha. So configuration of anomeric carbon atom in glycosidic linkage is alpha. The maltose molecule shown here retain a reducing hemiacetal C1 not involved in glycosidic bond. Kanaaf malt sugarin yookaan maltosiin bifa kanaan uumama jechuudha. Structure isaa kana fakkaata. Cellobiose obtained by partial hydrolysis of cellulose. Kun immoo baay'ee biqiloota keessatti cellulose of the biqiloota keessatti kan argamu jechuudha. Inni alpha 1,4 osoo hin taane beta 1,4 glycosidic bondii qaba. Akkuma argattan beta form of cellobiose jedhama kun jechuudha. inni kun ላክቶሲዳ ሚልክ ሱጋር ይሄ ብዙ ጊዜ ወተት ውስጥ የሚገኘው ዳይሳካራይድ ነው ማለት ነው። ዲግሉኮስ እና ዲግላክቶስ ናቸው በግላይኮሲዲክ ሊንኬጅ የሰሩት ማለት ነው። ይሄኛውን disaccharides anyhow disaccharide. So it's also reducing now because it is free OH at C1 is hemiacetal bond and the beta glucose is digested into an enzyme known as lactase. There is also another disaccharides. There is also sucrose. ይሄ በቀላሉ ሸንኮራ አገዳ ውስጥ የሚገኘው ነው ስኳር የምንለው ነው sucrose የምንለው ነው እሱም አንዱ ዳይሳካራይድ ነው ግን ከሌሎቹ የሚለየው ይሄ it is non reducing sugar መሆኑ ነው ማለት ነው። So the next topic is about polysaccharides. Most carbohydrates found in nature occur as polysaccharide. Polysaccharides are not reducing sugar since the anomeric carbon are connected with glycosidic linkage and that polysaccharide is called sometimes glycan differ from the other. So አሁን ፖሊሳካራይዶች ደግሞ እንግዲህ if the disaccharide can be linked together ከሁለት በላይ ዳይሳካራይዶች ሊንክ እያደረጉ ሲመጡ የሚፈጠረው ነው ፖሊሳካራይድ። ፖሊሳካራይድን ደግሞ በሁለት እንከፍለዋለን actually ሆሞ ፖሊሳካራይድ እና ሄትሮ ፖሊሳካራይድ እንላለን። ሆሞ ፖሊሳካራይድ የምንለው ፖሊሳካራይድ made up of one type of monosaccharide ሲሆን ሄትሮ ፖሊሳካራይድ የምንለው ደግሞ contain two or more different kind of monosaccharide። ፖሊሳካራይድ እንግዲህ በከለመት ቆዱ ደንደኛቹ ሆሞ ፖሊሳካራይድ ሄትሮ ፖሊሳካራይድ ሆሞ akkuma maqaan isaa ibsutti maayinni unitiin monosaccharide connect teessu wal fakkaataadha. ሄትሮ ፖሊሳካራይድ gaafa nu garu unitoonni monosaccharide join taansunni garagara jechuudha. Fakkeenyaaf starch yoo fudhattan it is maayinni polysaccharide. Actually this starch can be amylose and amylopectin jennee bakka lamatti qooduu dandeenya. Garagarummaan isaanii inni guddaani amylosiin kuni unbranched dha, amylopectin immoo branched dha. ስለዚህ starch plant polysaccharide ነው። ብዙ ጊዜ amylose እና amylopectin ብለን በሁለት እንከፍለዋለን። amylose ስንል ይሄኛው unbranched ነው ከ1000 እስከ 2000 ሞለኪውሎችን የያዘና አልፋ 1,4 ቦንድ ሊንኬጅ ያለው። amylopectin ስንል ግን በጣም branched የሆነ almost ሁለቱም ተመሳሳይ ናቸው። ትልቁ ልዩነታቸው ይሄኛው unbranched ነው፣ amylopectin ደግሞ በጣም branched ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So amylopectin it is unlike amylopectin is highly branched ነው ብለናል። so highly branched ሆነ ማለት ደግሞ solubility ደግሞ እዚህ ሃይ ነው ማለት ነው። እንተኒ amylopectin highly branched ይደጋፋ ጀኑ starchin kun highly solubility አቹ amylose ይራል ማለት amylose kun unbranched ስለተሄዲ solubility ሊሰባይ ገዲቦ አዳ compared to amylopectin እቹ glycogen itimo animal storage polysaccharide inni kuni animal keessatti akka storage ittiin fayyadamna. Fakkeenyaaf glucose nyaannu hundi isaatu gizee tokkoon gara energy ittiin geeddaramu cinaan isaa store ta'ee turachuu inni suni bifa glycogen ittiin store ta'a. So therefore it is the main storage polysaccharide of animal cell dha jechuudha. Animal cell it's abundant in liver where it may constitute 77% of the weight also played in skeletal muscle. And it is mainly linked with alpha 1,4 linked subunits of glycogen and 1,4 glucose linkage. Actually, cellulose, a polymer consists of linear and branched chain of D-glucose connected by beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage. This one is the structure of what? Cellulose. It have almost this much unit, glucose unit. You can undercover cellulose. In the amino acid, peptide, and the protein is a almost koba isaratti isin hojjedheen jira waan ta'eef at least highlight isa tuttuqni dabarra isa kaan irratti sirriitti ilaaluu ni dandeessu. So akkuma beekamu amino acidiin building block of protein in the polypeptide akka ta'e beekna. Protein in the polypeptide kun polymeridha, amino acidiin immoo monomeridha. Akkuma beekamu amino acidii almost naannoo gara 100 nature dha qabna. Isaan keessa 20 garuu they are essential for protein. So all or nearly all protein studies are made from 20 standard amino acid. They are difunctional, contain basic amino acid fi acidic amino acid janni ilaalu dandeenya. Maaliif functional group kana yoo ilaaltan acid functional group fi amine functional group waan qabu fi jechuudha. They have a carboxyl group and amine group bonded in same carbon, that's alpha carbon, and all amino acid have stereogenic center except glycine hin qabu. Maaliif arrin H1 fi it is a chiral compound sila ta'u jechuudha. Gaafa protonate goonu maal jenneerra chargii wal fakkaata ta'e qabu jenneerra. Carbohydrate chargii wal fakkaatan kun immoo maal jennaani? Zwitterian jennaani. Zwitterian. So all amino acids are what? An amino acid all amino acid are alpha amino acid except proline. Proline are cyclic. An amino acid is not amino acid. And they have primary amino group and the carboxylic group substitute on the same carbon except proline. Proline also another secondary amino group part there. ስለዚህ ፕሮሊን ከሁሉም ይለየዋል ማለት ነው ካሉት አሚኖ አሲድ እሱ ኢሚኖ ነው ሁለተኛ ሳይክሊክ ፎርም ነው ከኦፕቲካል አክቲቪቲ አንፃር ካየን ደግሞ ግላይሲን ነው የሚለየው ለምን እሱ ኦፕቲካል አክቲቪቲ የለውም ሌሎች ይኖራቸዋል ማለት ነው ስለዚህ from which perspective የሚለው ማወቅ አለባችሁ which one is different አሚኖ አሲድ ከተባለ from which perspective የሚለው መታወቅ አለበት ማለት ነው ኦፕቲካል አክቲቪቲ አላቸው ወይስ ኤየን አብዛኞቹ አላቸው ከግላይሲን ውጪ ሁሉም ኦፕቲካል አክቲቪቲ አላቸው ኦፕቲካል አክቲቪቲ ያላቸው ማለት ሜቢ ኤል ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ ዲ ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ ነው ነገር ግን ዲ እና ኤል ትልቁ ልዩነቱ ምንድነው ኤል አን ሜታቦላይዘብል ማነው ኤል ሜታቦላይዘብል ናቸው ዲ ፎርም ሲሆን አን ሜታቦላይዘብል አሚኖ አሲዶች ናቸው እና ዲ ብዙ ጊዜ ፔፕታይድ ኦፍ ባክቴሪያል ሴል ዎል እንደ ሰርቲን አንቲባዮቲክ ውስጥ ይገኛሉ የሚል ነገር አለው ማለት እዚህ ጋር classification of amino acid can be classified based on the R group attached on the carbon central carbon no so a side chain can be a simple alkyl group or it can be have an additional functional group like OH, SH, carboxylic acid and the NH2 group. They differ from each other in a side chain which vary in structure, size, electric charge which influence solubility of amino acid in water. ስለዚህ አሚኖ አሲድ ለምሳሌ R ግሩፑ አሮማቲክ ከሆነ አሮማቲክ አሚኖ አሲድ እንለዋለን እሱ ደግሞ በቀላሉ ወተር ሶለብል አይሆንም ማለት ነው ስለዚህ ክላሲፋይ ስናደርግ ብዙ ጊዜ አር ግሩፓቸው ላይ ያለው ቫሪዬሽን ነው ማለት ነው ናፍ አሚኖ አሲድ akkuma sindura lalle gaafa qoqqoodnu ክላሲ ገረገratti qooduu dandeenya qoqqoodamni suni irra caalaa depend kan ta'u R groupii kaarbanii sana irratti attach ta'e irratti jechuudha R groupiin suni fakkeenyaaf acidic ta'uu danda'a basic ta'uu danda'a acidic gaafa jennu dabalataan carboxylic acid functional group yoo qabaatedha basic kan jennu immoo dabalataan NH2 yoo qabaatedha jechuudha kanneen akka lysine arginine and histidine in both histidine ethiol and tyrosine phenol are usually classified as a neutral amino acid nonetheless they are weakly acidic side chain that are deprotonated insufficiently basic solution so bifa kanaan akkatti qoqqooduu ni dandeessu glycine fakkeenyaaf structure isaas kennameera asitti sulfur containing amino acid kanneen jennu kanneen akka methionine has a non-polar thiol group in a side chain. Carbon and sulfur are nearly equal electronegative, therefore sulfur is about the size of the methylene group. And R is isopentyl. Gaafa ta'u leucine jennaan jechuudha. Sec-butyl gaafa ta'u isoleucine jennee leucine is branched and isoleucine is also branched beta carbon qabaachuu isaaniinuu agarsiisa jechuudha. PK and the pH also given isa kanarra isoelectric point isaanii barbaanne karaa saniitris garagara baasuu ni dandeenya jechuudha. Aromatic kanneen jennu kanneen akka phenylalanine, tyrosine and tryptophan. Isaan kunniin warroota benzene ringii qabanidha. ስለዚህ aromatic ስንል ካው ፊት እንዳየነው benzene ring ያላቸው አሚኖ አሲዶች ናቸው ማለት ነው። ሌላው ፖላር ቻርጅድ እና ፖላር አንቻርጅድ ብለን ልንከፋፍላቸው እንችላለን R group of this amino acid are more soluble in water more hydrophilic ከሆነ they are polar እንላቸዋለን like serine threonine like aspartame glutamine that one that amide functional group ወሮ ተቀበለ ይሳን ጉኒኒ cysteine are also aspartame and glutamine are an amide of two amino acid found in protein ስለዚህ በተለያየ ሁኔታ R ግሩፓቸው ላይ ብቻ ዲፔንድ ሆነን ልንከፋፍል እንደምንችል እያነገርናችሁ ነው ማለት ነው ፖላር ፖዚቲቭሊ ቻርጅድ ምንላቸው አሉ like arginine lysine histidine these all are what the basic amino acid means they have an additional NH2 group እዚህ ጋር ያያችሁ ከሆነ there is NH2 in addition to this ሳናን ከኒኒ basic amino acid ጀናኒ negatively charged or acidic amino acid sanan kunin dabalatan immoo warrota acid functional group qabanidha acid functional group warrota qaban they are acidic amino acid the amino acid are almost always called their common name for example glycine got the name because of its sweet taste glycose Greek and a valine like from valeric acid a 5 carbon compound asparagine was found in asparagus tyrosine was found from cheese tyros enough maqaa isaanii gaafa yaamnu madda isaanii irraa ta'uu danda'a jechuudha moggaasni isaanii kan maddu property isaaniin asin duras akkuma laalletti optical activity ni qabu except glycine baay'een isaanii optical activity ni qabu. Kanaaf plane polarized light irratti L formii qabaachuu danda'u kaamoo D formii qabaachuu danda'u garaagarummaa isaanii maayinni kan jedhu asin duras laallee jirra waan ta'eef. Acid base property ni qabu. Yes, gaafa bishaan keessatti bulbulaman amana acidis amala beezummaas ni agarsiisu. Sababa sanaan maal jenneeni amphoteric or ampolyte property qabu jenneerra. Gaafa dipolar charge ta'anii chargiin isaanii immoo equal ta'e immoo Zwitterian ion akka uuman asin dura dubbachuuf yaalleerra kana irraan turre waan akkana. Maaliif asin dura sirriitti hojjetameera viidiyoo gara duubatti deemtanii kophaa isaa amino acid kan jedhu ilaaluu dandeessu. Isoelectric point, there is a point at which equal negatively and positively charged pH are there. Look, the specific pH at which an amino acid or protein would carry equal negatively charged and positively charged group. So, the pH at which an amino acid exists primarily in neutral form. So, isoelectric point equivalent to pH at which there is no net charge, because equal positive and equal negative, no net charge 0 no. So, in this state the molecule carries no net charge. It is isoelectric called Zwitterian, meaning equal charge. Lanar so isoelectric point በዚህ መልኩ ካልኩሌት ማድረግ ይቻላል። Simply this plus this one divided for 2 አድርጋችሁ ማምጣት ይቻላል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ካልኩሌሽን ግን ወጆቹን እንዲደንዳማ ይሄንንም ሜቢ ሚካኤል ሜንተን የሚለው ባዮኬሚስትሪ ላይ ኢኩዌሽኑን ሰርታችሁ መታችኋል። ይሄም ሪቪዥን ነው ማለት ነው። Synthesis of amino acid, there is Strecker synthesis. Strecker is simply the name of scientist, no? The name of scientist for the first time drafted amino acid synthesis, no? He simply treating an aldehyde with ammonia and hydrogen cyanide produce an amino nitrile, which is an intermediate. Now this amino nitrile can be hydrolysis to convert into amino acid. So aldehyde react with ammonia in the presence of hydrogen cyanide to form amino nitrile. Now amino nitrile can be hydrolysis to give alpha amino acid, which is again an intermediate. This intermediate can be undergo further reaction to produce amino acid. So this one is the mechanism of the reaction, maybe protonation of aldehyde, addition of amine, and step 3 is proton transfer. The fourth one is elimination. The fifth one is addition of cyanide so as to produce alpha amino nitrile. Here is an intermediate which is known as imine, protonated imine. A intermediate ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄን synthesis ከነ መካኒዝሙ ተቀምጧል ማየት ይቻላል ማለት ነው። Now this Strecker synthesis can undergo hydrolysis of nitrile. Now this hydrolysis can at the end of the day produce what? An amino acid which is valine. Now this valine can undergo deprotonation as well, and finally we have to get what? The amino acid of your interest. So sakana organic chemistry silateef mechanism isa beekun by murteessadha actually, but you know that the concept behind Strecker synthesis is simply to produce amino acid by using reaction known as Strecker reaction. So the last one may be peptide in the protein. 20 amino acids are commonly found in protein, and 20 amino acids are linked together to produce peptide form. And what is the main difference between the two is simply the number of amino acids. If the amino acid is less than 15, that is peptide. If it is above 15, that is protein. So protein are a linear polymer of alpha amino acid. This peptide bond formation is a carbonyl group of one amino acid with R1 side chain converted to peptide bond of alpha amino acid group of another chain at R2 by the removal of water. Kanaf condensation reaction itu adeemsifamu jechuudha. Saba condensation reaction yookaan bishaan sun waan keessaa ba'uu fi dipeptide bondiin sun ni uumama. Hamma peptide bondii achi keessa jiru irraa hundaa'uudhaan dipeptide, tripeptide, polypeptide jennee bakka garagaraatti qooduu dandeenya. Dai gaafa jennu peptide bondii lama yoo qabaatedha. Tri kan jennu 3 yoo ta'e tetra 4 akkas jechaa deemuu ni dandeessu jechuudha. So here is how water can be removed off, and the formation of dipeptide can be observed. So each polypeptide chain ends on the right side of the free carboxylic group of the the last amino acid and the terminal C terminus, and the octapeptide is linked to 8 amino acid. For example, the hormone known as Oxytocin and vasopressin can be very important polypeptide. So polypeptide link 10 to 50 amino acid, example insulin hormone. Sannan kunniin peptide bondii warroota qabanidha jechuudha. Disulfide bridge gabaabumatti sulfur bonding gaafa uumamudha. Sulfur bonding immoo kan uumamu thiol group yookaan sulfur hydral group sanaanii jenneerraa yeroo sana radical to generate waan ta'eef the reaction can be associated like this. So cysteine is an amino acid that contains a thiol group, and the two cysteine molecules come together to produce a disulfide bond. This bond is known as disulfide bridge. Disulfide bridge. This is also another scenario of producing what amino acid. So this is all about your topic of interest. Thank you very much. If you have any question, you have to keep in the comment section so as to replay for you guys. Yeroo xumurreerra kuni waa'ee carbohydrate jechuudha. Karaa adda addaatiin kursii kana topiikii kanneen barachaa irra garuu waan nu fayyadanii fi irra deddeebiidhaan waan kursii garaagaraa keessatti wal arginaa biochemistry, organic chemistry, chemistry of natural product karaa adda addaatiin waan wal argitanii fi laaluun baay'ee bareeda. Channel keenyaaf haaraa taanaan ammas subscribe gochuutiin akka baatan kabajaan isin affeeraa. Viidiyoo biraatti nagaa wal arginutti nagaan naa tura.